Hello, another AQA A-level physics multi-choice question. If you want to try to answer the question yourself, please pause the video now. If you got the answer B, well done. If you didn't, continue watching and I will explain. Which two rows show two scalar quantities? So scalar quantities have a magnitude or a size, but they don't have a direction. They have magnitude, but no direction. So let's have a look at this. Gravitational potential. Well, gravitational potential is energy per unit mass. Neither energy nor mass have direction. So gravitational potential doesn't have direction, so it is a scalar quantity. Mass doesn't have direction, so it too is a scalar quantity. Gravitational field strength does have a direction. Gravitational field strength, let's show the gravitational field strength around a planet. That will always point towards the centre of the planet, showing there is a direction to gravitational field strength. Therefore, it's a vector, therefore not the correct answer. Weight, well, yeah, weight is a vector quantity. Weight is the thing that pulls, is the force that pulls you towards the centre of the planet. So that too is a vector quantity. So what else have we got? Gravitational field strength, no, we said that was a vector. Gravitational potential, yes, that's a scalar, no direction. Weight, no, it has direction, therefore it's a vector. And gravitational potential, yes, we've already said that's a scalar quantity. So line B gives two correct answers. Nice simple question. I hope you enjoyed my explanation. Please watch more and please subscribe. Thank you.